Yes, sir.
Recording? Alright. So kindly state your name, year, level, and age.
Good afternoon. I am Jerry Dalmero from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I am actually 24 years old.
Okay. Again, what's your nickname, sir?
Just call me Jerry.
Jerry. Alright, Jerry. What's your can you tell me about your experience in theater, singing, or dancing?
I started performing since when I was on grade 3. I've been part of the Massville Elementary School performing arts group, and also later on I've also became choreographer, coach, and also director of Massville Elementary School Performing Arts Group for almost 8 years, and Star Theater Academy, that's theater club in our school, in our area, community.
Okay. Now, so why do you want to join the theater here in St. Bernadette?
I wanted to share my knowledge and also my experience in theater arts. I, as I was saying, I became a director for almost 8 years for the young aspirants as well here in our school, and I, I, I am seeing this as another opportunity for me to share my expertise.
Okay. So yung mga ilang taon yung mga tinuturuan mo na?
Our elementary students.
Okay, I commend that. I really do. Okay, I commend that. So wait, natapos na ba to?
Actually, still ongoing po.
Ongoing. Okay.
Yes.
So you do plays
I do.
with the kids. Ano yung last play na ginawa nyo?
Kasi bata 4, Tutoy at ang Ibong Adarna Journey.
Okay. So tell me about your experience in directing kids.
Mahirap, siyempre po, kapag mga bata. Pero I do really enjoy engaging with the kids, and also, as future educator, nakikita ko yung sarili ko na nag-enjoy sa mga ginagawa namin during workshops and also sa mga rehearsals.
Okay. Okay. What about scheduling? Practice will most likely be Saturdays. Would that be a problem?
Siguro sa schedules lang sa schools, kasi yung sa amin naman sa MESPAG naman, during Sundays naman kami.
What about your schooling?
Ayun, magkakaroon siguro ng problema sa scheduling. Pero since hindi pa naman nag-start yung semester, for next
Hindi
semester,
mo pa alam yung schedule mo. No? So, when was, for this semester, may schedule ka Saturday?
yep.
So, okay, what is your schedule for this semester for Saturday?
For this semester, 7 to 7.
7 a.m. to 7 p.m.?
Yes.
Okay.
Pero patapos na po yung semester namin eh. Actually, we're
So,
on
you
the
said you're second year college, di ba? Second year?
first year, sir.
First year. Okay. Let's say, on this play, I gave you a chance. Okay? I gave you a chance to be part of the play, and I gave you a homework role. And all you have to do is show up, be ready, because you're already an experienced actor. Will you be able to do that?
I don't see any problem with that at all.
Okay. Okay, and may dinala ka ba sa atin ngayon? Maybe a
Just-
piece, song, acting, dancing piece, whatever.
Yung piece na lang ng kanta.
Kanta,
Yeah.
okay. Alright. Sige, whenever you're ready, you can sing the song, okay?
Does it require po ng,
What?
ng music po?
Not really. We
Right.
need a cappella.
Alright.
Go, Jerry.
Alright. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang maubos ang luha, hanggang mapawi ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata, Di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon'y lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo bang sumama? Di mo na kailangan na matakot mahiya. Di mo na kailangan pang humanap ng iba. Kalimutan lang muna ang lahat ng problema. Huminga ka ng malalim at tayo'y lalarga na. Handa ka na bang sumama?
Okay, very good. Very good, Jerry.
Thank you.
Okay, what about acting piece, Jerry?
Okay. Siguro yung ginanapan na lang nung bata sa Jessica.
Okay,
Okay.
sige, whenever you're ready.
Oh! Gulat kayo, no? Akala niyo si Sir Robert, no? Nagkakamali kayo! Ako si Tutoy. Ako ang bida sa kwentong to. At siya? Siya si Ligaya. Maganda yan! Di ba? At siya? Siya si Mambulabog. Mabait yan. Kaso nga lang, yung bunganga, parang bombero. Abot hanggang kabilang barangay. At sila? Sila yung mga classmate ko. Mababait yan. Pero sila din yung kontrabida sa buhay ko. At ito ang kwento namin.
Okay, very good. So, can you do a more serious acting? Maybe hindi umiiyak, siguro more on the trying to prove your point. That you think you are better than everyone, but you think you're doing the right thing. Okay? And then, in turn, you are becoming the villain. Okay? Sige. Whenever you're ready.
So ako yung mali. Kailan ba naging mali ang pagsasabi ng totoo? Sinubukan kong sabihin sa inyo yung totoo. Sinubukan kong sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung alam ko. Tas ngayon, ako pang masama? Ano bang laban ko? Yung dami nyo. Sino ba ako? Papakinggan nyo ba ako? Wala. Wala. Wala sa inyo ang sinubukan man lang akong pakinggan. Wala sa inyo ang sinubukan man lang akong intindihin. Bakit? Kasi hindi nyo ako maintindihan. Sarado kayo. Tapos na ako.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so I don't think I need more from you. Very good, Jerry. I admire your courage of no. My only concern here is director ka na sa mga bata. Alright? So I've been teaching a lot of your generation theater. And merong mga iba na, yeah, receptive. Merong iba na, ito na ako eh. Ba't kailangan ko sumunod sa'yo? What can you say about that?
I do really see myself still as a newbie. And yung pagdedirect kasi, nag-start lang siya since I stopped studying way back 9 years ago. And then, yung directing sa Massville kasi, meron lang siya talagang maliit na community ng theater arts, ng theater group. And then, talagang yung passion lang, yung nag-udyok talaga sa amin. Kasi sa amin kasi, ano siya eh, talagang yung pagdating sa theater arts, talagang bida yung mga nagtateatro sa amin. So, ako, myself as director na nagtuturo sa mga bata, hindi naman siya magiging hindrance or hindi naman siya magiging advantage nor disadvantage. And I don't see it as that.
Okay. So do you believe that when you became a director of the kids, you became better as an actor?
No. I believe na as a director, mas nakikita natin yung mga technicalities, hindi lang sa performance ng mga bata, but sa buong program, sa buong ginagawa, mas nakikita ko as director yung yung flow, yung awan ko,
So
pero mas
you became better na as an actor because you saw the technicalities
yeah,
and you saw the things that you should improve yourself as well as the whole production. Tama?
yes.
Okay. Because I can see here, 9 years ago, hindi ka ganyan umarte. When you started becoming a director, that's the time that you have to step up. Kailangan hindi ka nila makitaan, di ba? Kailangan marunong ka and you have to self-study.
Yeah.
That's why, if ever that you are going to be part of the play, you are someone that I can accept as someone na pwedeng pumunta rin dito pag available schedule. Yung sinabi ko sa iyo nung umpisa. Kasi when you said that you were a director, I know that you are responsible. Matik yun. Alam ko yun.
Yes.
So, if ever, Jerry, we will be needing your talents. Okay? Tapos, may schedule ka next SEM na Saturday. Tapos, pag sinabi ko na, okay, Jerry, practice this, sauluhin mo to, and then, when you are ready, when you practice with us, kailangan wala na ako ituturo sa'yo. Can you do that, Jerry?
I can do that.
Alright. So, that's the answer I want. Ganito, habang wala pang school SEM mo, kindly join us in our workshops. Okay? Definitely, we will be needing your expertise, everyone. But again, you will be the kuya of the group, if ever. Alright? But I don't want you to feel as if na kuya ka lang, hindi mo lang ang gusto ko. You will also be a leader to make them more comfortable, everyone. Okay? Sige. Jerry, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate your auditioning, ha?